What's up, guys? What's up? So I'm back with another review. Pop, pop, para, pop, pop, para, pop. It's in on a go, 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 go. And how y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing good. I'm back and I'm about to give you, an insight on, how to become a reseller and how to make your own business and, how to, start from nothing into something. You know what I'm saying? Into something. And I'm going to just tell you more, a little bit about me. I've been working back then, I've been working my very first job was Forever 21. You know what I'm saying? My first job, that was my first job. But before that, I used to sell different things. I used to sell games and stuff like that back then when I was younger. And I used to do that as just a hobby and stuff like that. Just to collect games and stuff like that, and different items like this. Back then I used to collect that, and back then I used to just collect to play. I never really made like a business out of it. But 2023, fast forward, now I have a business. Now I ship out Yu-Gi-Oh cards to my customers, and or stuff like this. Or I sell, Starbucks cup. You know what I'm saying? This is a nice Starbucks cup too. Woo! Let me know if you guys seen this Starbucks cup actually, Yeah, guys. So this is this is another pink cup that I got, and this cup goes for like over 10K. So yeah, guys, this cup was super limited. I had to show you this cup, and this was $50, $49.99, and yeah, this cup was extremely limited. And this is another cup that I picked up from Target. And yeah, Target only had 4 cups, and it was extremely limited. And this is the exclusive Valentine's Day cup, pink tumbler. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. And yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Items like this, you'll never know. You go out there and search for whatever item, and you just look it up and see how it's flipping. And honestly, that's how you really, do it. That's the best way to do it in this game right now. Wow, you see, guys, 10K, and then I saw the other one for 250, like I said. And I sell stuff like this. Woo, I caught it. Sell stuff like this. I sell many different things, and yeah, it's just all it's just all about bonding with me for different people. Like when I sell this, for instance, sneakers, I may sell a sneaker to somebody, but that person may be into something different. That person may be into different things, like stuff like this that I would want to buy, and it's just a conversation. Everything is just a conversation starter. I think, I love to see my customers happy, and I love to see, when they buy something in for me and they be like, wow, yo, you take good care of it. You take good care of it. The item is not damaged and stuff like that, and you know what you're talking about, and you got the knowledge on the item, and yeah, that's what it's all about. It's all about giving that customer that great 100% your best. You always got to give it your best. Always, you want to make the customer feel so happy. You know what I'm saying? Anybody feel happy. So anyway, it don't matter down to a cup. You know what I'm saying? You always the packaging. It's all about the service. Of the customer. You always gotta give good service. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and me doing this business for how long? Shit, I forgot how long now I've been doing this shit. To be honest, guys, I ain't gonna lie. I've been doing this for so long. So reselling and stuff like that. And when I finally really took it seriously was when I used to work at Saks, and I used to work, at these other places, and it's just different. The system of the whole working, community, it's just different. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like, hey, I can make some money on my own. You know what I'm saying? And all I gotta do is just focus, and block out all the distractions, And this, taking this route is really, it's not for everybody. I'm not gonna tell you should take this route just because, it's working for me. I'm gonna be honest. Just do what you love and do what you like. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's a million ways to make money. You can work for somebody, or you can work for yourself, or you can just work, you know? You could do whatever you know, you set the goal, you set the vision, you are the visionary, you know, just gotta believe in yourself, man. And, just all about believing in yourself and believe. Oh, this smells fresh. Woo, woo, woo. Every time I smell a fresh sneaker, I always gotta dance or something, you know what I'm saying? Because you always want to be fresh, fresh, so clean. But anyway, it's all about being focused, determination, and above all, cut up all distractions, and to have 3 ways I would tell you to three ways. One thing is you can start from nothing to something. Back then I ain't had enough money. I ain't have no money. You know what I'm saying? Back then I was broke. You know what I'm saying? But what I did was, and what these are the 3 things which you should do. Learn how to save money. Learn how to save money, and know how to put it to the side. So let's say you find $1. Save that $1. Say you find 25 cents. You save that 25 cents. Because that $1 and that 25 cents is an add-on, you know what I'm saying? Until whatever you get. Money comes and goes, But all you have to do is invest and hold on to it and make it increase. Make it value, make it increase, and over time, But you can't be afraid to spend it now. Scared money don't make no money, you know what I'm saying? Scared money don't make no money. I ain't gonna lie, I was scared to buy this, and I was scared to buy this item. But you know what? I was like, you know what? Scared money don't make no money. I brought it for what? How much I paid for these? I paid $130, and I sold these for $250. And I paid on this Starbucks cup, I paid $45, and I sold it for $250. And that's what it is. That's what it's all about. Is spending, but being smart about it, and then then you make it back. So that's what it's all about. And those, and the key things about the small, first getting to becoming a reseller. The first step that you gotta do: 1, learn how to save. 2, any items you get, keep it. Anything around the house, you get it, and you start posting it up. You could post it anywhere, or you just start talking to people, you know what I'm saying? Or trading with people. Sometimes another man trash is another man treasure. Like, this may be trash to me. You know what I'm saying? I may look at it as a pink cup why would I need this cup? Why would I need this when I could just go out and buy, a fresh, go out and buy, go to Dollar Tree and buy, a cup. But you always gotta, because this cup is good, because it's universal. You can put hot and cold, and you know what I'm saying? So these are the type of things when you become in your business and you want to sell to a customer, you talk about all the good thing about the product. Honestly, this product is pretty interesting. Stan Lee Starbucks cup. Let me know if you guys copped it or whatnot. Let me know if you got this Stan Lee, It's a cool cup. But that's overall how the first step on how to become a reseller. These are the steps. And yeah, guys, and there's nothing to it but to do, just make sure, number 1 main thing, focus, And no matter what anybody tell you, oh, you should do this, you should do that, pick what you love. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you love collecting stuff like this, then you do it. I'm not telling you should sell this just because, go out and look for this now just because I paid $40 and I flip it for $2 something. I'm not telling you to do that. What I'm telling you to do is pick what you love, because there's a million things that you can make money on. You know what I'm saying? A million things. Sneakers. You know what I'm saying? You could be a dog walker. You know what I'm saying? You could do anything. There's a million ways. But what you have to do is get up and move your hands, and just go out there in the world and don't be afraid. You know what I'm saying? And that's my thing. how to become a reseller, how to start. This is how you start. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, comment if you love the video. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm gonna do some giveaways. And stay tuned. 500 subscribers, I'll free giveaway, but it's a surprise though. It's a surprise. Yeah, let me know. Over and out. Enjoy your day, guys. And remember, never give up. There's many times where I wanted to give up. And it was like, damn, I'm losing money. But I never gave up. Even though I lost money, I never gave up. I lost, made it back, flip it, made it back. And over the years, I met amazing people. I made a lot of amazing people. So, I want to meet a lot of amazing people on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid to subscribe. Don't be afraid to, comment. I want to see your feedback. I want to hear your feedback. And yeah, this is the roller coaster. This is about to be a journey, guys. We're about to get lit. You know what I'm saying? Lit. About to get lit. Sorry for the sound outside. Let me wait. Yeah, guys. So, reselling tip on how to become your own. And it's not even, I'm not saying working for somebody is bad, because it's not. But you just got to be smart about it. And if you work for somebody, make sure you elevate from it and take something there. Take something from that. And what I would say is resources. Take the resources and bring it to your life and then transform it into something. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, enjoy your day, guys. See you later. Bye, over and out. Deuces. Please subscribe. Ant on the go. Zoom. Over and out.